Today we're going to talk about application of kinesiology tape on pregnant women. Hi, I'm Brittany with Beautifully Connected. I'm a birth doula, massage therapist, and I practice herbals with the Wise Woman method. Welcome to my channel. So I use rock tape. I think it's the best tape. I've used a couple different brands, but they don't seem to stick as well as the rock tape. So with KT or Kinesio, it's like you apply it and then it comes off a day or two later. With rock tape, it stays on 7 to 10 days with most people under most conditions. Of course, the application time and the length of the application depends on how oily your skin is and how much you shower, and if you're working out and maybe sweating a little bit more than normal if you go swimming. Those things are going to decrease the length of the application time, but normally it's about a week, which is very attractive to me because if you come in to see somebody who's taping you, the tape is going to last longer, and if you tape yourself at home, it's still going to last longer, so it's a wonderful product. I really love the rock tape. So the way that you apply it, you just cut the length that you need and you round the edges like a band-aid. The tape comes in a roll, just like a regular piece of like duct tape or something. So the edges are not rounded when you get them on the roll, obviously. And if you apply the rock tape without rounding the edges first, the little corners can catch on your clothing or what have you. Also, it's important, if you've never used rock tape before, go ahead and do a little skin test. So cut a small piece of the rock tape off and put it right on the inside of your wrist. That is a pretty sensitive area, and I feel like if you would have a reaction to the tape, it would probably be on the inner part of your wrist. So you can leave that on there for about 20 minutes, and then you're safe to tape if you don't have any, burning or red rash or anything like that. We're going to take the ligament, you're going to scoot over just to where I'm at and then drop your leg off the table. And then to tape, we're going to tape just right here where the ligament is. Right there. And going up. So, and then you just rub it to apply it like that. Okay, so to remove the kinesiology tape, what you're going to do is get it wet and then put oil on it. Do not try to band-aid that and just rip it off. It'll cause irritation on your skin. It might even rip some of the top layers of skin off. It's very uncomfortable. I recommend you get either an adhesive removal spray, or you can go ahead, like I said, get it wet. Maybe you take a shower and then put some oil on it. The type of oil doesn't really matter. I really like olive oil, but I've also used coconut oil and baby oil. So you can just rub that on the tape and it'll come off very easily after that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like this video. Also, if you have any questions about holistic health, be sure to put those in the comments for me.